In recent years, plant-based proteins have gained significant attention for their health benefits and environmental sustainability. Let's explore how you can boost your nutrition without relying on meat. Plant-based proteins offer a wealth of nutritional benefits beyond just muscle growth and repair. They're packed with essential micronutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. Studies have shown that diets high in plant proteins are associated with improved heart health, better blood sugar management, and reduced risk of obesity. Legumes, such as lentils, beans, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of plant-based protein. Soy products like tofu, tempeh, and edamame are also rich in protein and offer a versatile way to incorporate plant-based meals into your diet. Whole grains like quinoa and oats provide not only protein but also a good source of fiber and other nutrients. Seeds and nuts, including hemp seeds, chia seeds, and almonds, are also valuable sources of protein and healthy fats. Nutritional yeast, often used as a vegan substitute for cheese, is another protein-rich option. Incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet can have numerous health benefits. It can lower the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure, improve gut health and reduce inflammation, aid in better weight management, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers. A 2019 study found that middle-aged adults following a plant-based diet had a lower risk of cardiovascular disease and death from any cause. Choosing plant-based proteins isn't just good for your health, it's also better for the planet. Plant proteins generally have a lower environmental impact compared to animal proteins, making them a sustainable choice for the future. While some worry about getting all essential amino acids from plant sources, consuming a variety of plant-based proteins throughout the day can easily provide a complete amino acid profile. For example, combining legumes with whole grains creates a complete protein source. This approach ensures that you're getting all the necessary building blocks for optimal health. In conclusion, plant-based proteins offer a powerful way to boost your nutrition without relying on meat. By incorporating a variety of plant protein sources into your diet, you can enjoy numerous health benefits while also making a positive impact on the environment. Whether you're a committed vegan or simply looking to reduce your meat consumption, plant-based proteins are a nutritious and delicious option to explore.